Students, now we are going to see about the speech mechanism. Speech mechanism is the conventional term for the system of psychophysiological prerequisites that enable a human being to make meaningful utterances and to understand another speech. Then we see the psychophysiology. We'll see about psychophysiology. The psychophysiology is the branch of physiology that is concerned with the relationship between mental and physical processes. It is the scientific study of the interaction between mind and body. Prerequisites a thing that is required as a prior condition for something else to happen or exist. Then we'll see about system. System of organs that work for producing a sound or sounds. The functions of organs in producing a sound or sounds. Then speech organs. The various organs which are involved in the production of speech sounds are called speech organs. They are also called as vocal organs. The study of speech organs helps us to decide the role of each organ in the production of speech sounds. Then the organs of speech. The lungs, the vocal cords, the tongue, the teeth, the lips, the palate. This is the diagram of speech mechanism. We have nasal cavity, it has nasal cavity, alveolar ridge, lips, teeth, larynx, palate, uvula, tongue, pharynx, vocal cords, and epiglottis. First, vocal cords. Vocal cords are also known as vocal folds. The vocal folds are located within the larynx at the top of the windpipe. The larynx contains two small bands of elastic tissues. The inner edges of vocal cords can be moved towards each other. So they meet each other and they can be drawn apart. Closed position and open position. When they are drawn apart so that there is a gap between them. The gap is known as the glottis. Closed position and open position. In the vocal cords in a closed position, the air from the lungs pushes them apart and makes its way in vocal cords. Another point for vocal cords are vibration of vocal cords, voiced sound when they are wide apart, no vibration, voiceless sound. Um, Voiced sounds and voiceless sounds depend upon the position of vocal cords. These are voiced sounds and these are voiceless sounds. Then palate. Palate forms the roof of the mouth and it separates mouth cavity from nasal cavity. The palate is divided into two parts, hard palate and soft palate. The hard palate is fixed against the front of the tongue. Then alveolar ridge. Alveolar ridge immediately behind the upper front teeth. The hard palate is the highest part of the palate between the alveolar ridge and the soft palate. The alveolar ridge is very important because the consonant sounds like ta, da, na, l, r, s, z are made with the touching or close to the alveolar ridge. And these are all about the speech mechanism. Thank you.